Okay, so I'm trying to set up my little review station and everything, and I just got this 10-inch Selfie Ring Light with tripod stand. Let's see if it's any good. Your standard Chinesium cardboard box. 10-inch ring, tripod, selfie remote control. It says it's Bluetooth. We'll see if it actually is. Tripod ball head, mobile phone holder, and instructions manual. Let's see what we got here, guys. All right. Is there any... Nope. Nothing for me to cut off of here. All right, let's see. So right off the bat, what do we got in here? This is probably the tripod. We'll set that to the side right now. Let's look at the good goods. All right, looks like we've got your standard USB. Turn it up, turn it down, change your mode right here. So let's see, like that. See, we got our mode on, off, down, and up. So just your standard stuff. Kind of a grayish black. See what we got going on here. Come on, focus. There we go. Not back there. On that. Doesn't like me. All right, cool. Doesn't like it's half bad. Oh, I think we're good to go. Let's take a look at this ring. Plastic. What else would we expect? Let's zoom back out of here. All right. Read before you bleed. Correct, guys? So let's see. Come on, you can focus on that, right? There we go. It actually seems like it's printed backward because that's the front. All right, so 10-inch ring, tripod ball head, selfie remote. All right, let's see what we got here. USB plug, lighting controls, tripod ball head. We'll look at that in a second here. And I didn't see the remote. It's probably in there. Your standard, plug it into any USB, computer, notebook, portable power, USB. So I wouldn't trust plugging this into the computers though. Just I've seen some bad things happen, and I've been hurt before. Press the power button, turns it on. Your typical. So we'll do this when we plug it in, see how this thing works. Looks like we have 3 different colors. So or temperatures, whichever you guys prefer, and how to use the remote. So we'll see how that works in a second here. So far, this looks like it's exactly what I need. So let me zoom the other direction. So if you want to get some perspective, it is 10-inch. So I put this right here. We're at 12 right here, and we're at 22 right over here. So it's like we're good to go. It is actually 10 inches. Don't mind, that's the shadow you guys are seeing over there, making it look like it's further over, so could be just a hair over. So let's take that out of the way for a second. Let's take a look at the other goodies that came with us. So we got the goodies bag here. Let's see. Think they gave us a battery? We'll find out. All right. So this is the first thing I saw that looked neat. Got this little tripod. So let me move this stuff out of the way. We got this little tripod right here. See if we can get this to play nice. Stop focusing on my hand. All right, here we go. It's just your typical little injection molded thing there with a retainer pin. Itty bitty little screw right there. So, couldn't tell you what that is. I guess that's not aluminum. It feels like plastic right there on the legs. I didn't buy it for this, but it feels like I could break that. Let's see. There's one tripod. It came with multiple, so let's set that to the side. So it looks like we got this little tripod. Now this thing's heavy. This is made out of metal. This thing feels much higher quality than this. This feels like, I don't know, like it should be free. Let me see if I can get this to focus. There's nice, kind of nice stiff retention on this. So let's go back. It says it comes with a tripod ball head and one tripod. It looks like we got 2 tripods out of this. Tell you what though, let's find out. We got a little ball head that we can put on this. Cute little thing here. What do you think about that, huh? So we can get this to stay focused in where I want it to. A little typical little ball head here. Does it rotate? Doesn't rotate. Just threads on right there like any tripod. So goes right there, goes right there. So we can get this to focus on the right thing here. Hey, focus on me. There we go. That just goes in right here, and we just twist it and thread it in. Only does like not too many twists. Look at that. All right, watch the legs. One, doesn't go in very far. There we go. That's about it. Looks like there is a set screw right here, so we can probably just loosen that and rotate this if we want to. Let's see if it came with a tool or not for that. Set that to the side. Let's look at the this thing's interesting. Don't freaking open it. All right. Let's get that leg out of the way. All right, so this is your cell phone mount. Doesn't feel half bad. Let's see if it fits my Pixel 3. My Pixel 3 works on it just fine. So it's kind of cool. That's not cheap. That's actually got some oomph to it. Now that's interesting. So this, I'm assuming, goes right here. But I might have to look at the instructions because I see a major problem with this. Is this flexible? Oh, it is flexible. There we go. So this just goes right here. Might be easier. Let me back this up Probably ain't helping us. Back that up just a hair. Put this in here. This feels very plasticky though. I don't think I'd ever use this for this. Yeah, that don't. It goes just like that. Put your phone right there. My phone will probably block it. So, of course, you probably want to do this the other direction. Use it for your selfies. So let's take this other tripod. Actually, no. Take the more heavy-duty tripod. I'm assuming that other one's meant more for your phone. All I'm doing, threading this in. Cool. Ow. Let's see. Drag it across my monitor. It's acting. Make sure you tighten everything down. Again, you got to think about the price range that this is in. This is in $100 and some light. We don't want to expect $100 and some quality out of this. If you're just sitting there at home and you want to learn how to stream, probably not a bad option. Let's see if they give us a power source. It said USB power source. Got a remote. Got another cell phone holder, which we'll go to that. What I don't see is a power source. Double check. The box says 10-inch Selfie Ring remote, tripod, mobile phone holder, instruction manual. It does not say it comes with a power source. Okay. So should I expect what it does not say, correct? The good news is I have plenty of power sources. So let's plug this puppy in. Huh. All right, what we got going on here? I'm gonna take my phone off of this for now because I don't need it on it. But let's see how this improves anything. So I did not get this to use it like this, but might as well set this up properly. So let's turn this on. There we go. I'm gonna take this off and let's see how this improves stuff. We're gonna put this in front of the camera that I'm recording with, okay? How's that look? So the size of this ain't half bad, guys. Not half bad. So what I'm gonna do is show you how this looks. So we can use this as intended. Let me stop hitting the camera. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna put this at an angle. So you can see. At the steep angle that I'm putting this at, you probably don't want to do it with the legs like I did. It's going to fall over like that. So you want to put the leg underneath it. So like that, I'm not sure. Where'd I put the phone part at? All right, let me see where that ball part is in here. All right, so the ball joint has a little slit that we can get this straight up and down like that. I like that. I'm trying to tighten it, and something doesn't want to tighten. There we go. So say for something like this product right here, say you want to get in there, get the ring out of the way. Try to get the ring out of the way. My monitor's in the way. There we go. Almost. We can crop. All right, cool. So we can get the camera to stop bouncing. All right, cool. So we have the little remote that came with this. Got a nice little lanyard. So we got this little camera. Let's see. It does got a battery. So let's see if they got any protector in there. They did not. They did not put a little protector in here. It's definitely from China. You guys see that? Lithium-ion battery, 3 volts. It's the CR2032, so if you need to buy one, you know which one to throw in here. It says negative, so put the negative in. I don't think it can go in like that. It isn't like that when we took it apart. It says that this is Bluetooth. All right, so it's flashing. So let's figure out where I put my phone for a second here. Hello, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Oh, right there. All right, cool. So that's blinking. So I'm going to assume let's go to my phone right here. We just go to Bluetooth. Hold it. My phone wants me to log in. Let's go see all. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, there we go. AV shutter. So that's what we're going to get. AV shutter is what we're looking for here. Click on AV shutter. It says that we are connected. Let's go to camera. And I'm just going to see. It worked. So we can hold it right there. Hit this button right here. We're good to go. Now, I wonder if this works with the Canon camera that I'm using, my M50. That would be really cool. We'll figure that out later. So that's about everything. So we've got, let me get my hand under here. So let's check out the skin tone. So let's change the modes. You want to get your natural look. A nice bright white. Cool. Then we can down it, dim it. So now you can see a little bit of a shadow where my hand is. If I just want to just get rid of those shadows, right there, gets rid of my shadows. I think that's maximum brightness right there. So hopefully this helps. Let me see if I can set this up one different way and see if I make this work with my camera setup. Okay, so give me a second. Let's see what we can do here. Okay, so I'm using something you guys don't have, but show you in a second how I'm doing this. But I have this set up with my camera now. So we can put our product in there. We can flip through the different modes and see what makes it look better and cleaner. So we got the remote. This is one of the camera stands. A ball joint. Got the little tripod. I don't think I can zoom in any further. That's about as far as we can go. We can digital zoom that though. Let me get a pointer. So it says a tripod, but we got multiple tripods with this, so that might be a bonus. So I want you guys to see. You see right there where it wasn't cut very good? Again, I don't think this. And then right there. Not sure what that is, but definitely that. Crunch. This is as wide as it opens. You see there's a Phillips head screwdriver right there. So you can probably tighten this, take it apart. It's plastic on the inside. There's little plastic gears right there. I mean, this is like looking too close at this though. This is pretty good for the price. So I was looking at these for about $100 and some, and this is like 30 bucks. Well, so I can't complain too much. The remote works. It does everything I want it to. So let me show you what I'm using here. So you can't buy this anymore. I bought this on Amazon. I'm using this as sort of a poor man's ballast. So let me get this other light that I have right here. So this was kind of a really nice multi-purpose Picatinny reel. I got it for like 30 bucks when it was on Amazon, and now I can't find these anywhere. This thing has come in so handy for doing reviews. So I used the stand that came with this, and then I used this. This was from Fitmosfos. You can Google them. I haven't been able to find them, but for stuff like this, we turn this light off so it's not blinding the camera. There we go. Now we're back to normal. But again, that's the setup I was using. So let me pull this up. I hope I didn't unplug something. Probably did. There we go. You can see my work area now. So this is just attached like this, and I had it up and over the products. So this is the main reason why I bought this, is I want to be able to use it for this. So hopefully this helped you guys decide whether you want to or don't want to buy this. I think I'd definitely buy it again. I mean, you get what you paid for. I mean, it's $30. It does what you need. You don't need to spend $100 some if you get a decent picture. Light's light as long as you're getting decent image quality. So, and then I have a little 5-foot boom arm I'm using for this also. So, if this was helpful, please let me know if this was helpful. I'd be happy to review anything else that you guys are interested in. I do a lot of my reviews on reviewthis.us. And I just do this for fun as a hobby. I mean, we're all doing the COVID home holiday thing right now, so stay safe and just be happy.